Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's about immigration updates this night, and this is actually a requested video on how to make payment for green card. Okay, I just feel, though I've answered the question, but I just feel I should take you all through how I made payment for my green card. If this is what you want to know, please just stay tuned through how I make payments. If you're yet to make payment for your green card and you haven't crossed over to the United States, you might want to make that payment now so that your green card can come with your social security number. Like I said, I've received my social security number, but I was yet to pay for green card. At the time I got my social security number, it was about a week plus after I got here that I received my social security number in the mail. So I think I've shared that. Okay, so if you're still in whatever country that you are, you might want to make payments before you leave, so that your green card and your social security number would be sent to you at the same time. Okay, let me just show you guys how I make payment for my green card. Okay, stay with me. Okay, how do I do this right now? Oh, do I do this? So So guys, let me quickly take you through how I make payment for my green card. Okay, you're gonna type this pay for my green card. Okay, and pay for my green card. You click on that, this will pop up, US immigrant fee. This will always pop up first. You click on US immigrant fee. Okay, it's gonna take you to this page where you have USCIS immigrant fee. Before you start this payment process, all of this eligibility page will pop up. You can take your time to read all of those, but you click on next. Okay, when you click on next, it brings you to this page where you have USCIS immigrant fee, DHS, privacy notice. You have this, you scroll up and you continue. Okay, you click on continue. You can take your time to read through all of those provisions to know if to be properly guided. Okay, you click on did I just click on back? Okay, now no way. You click on next, it brings you to this stage. You click on continue, it brings you here, this form. Okay, your A number and your Department of State case ID, both required and can be found in your visa pocket. Your visa, your in your passport where you have your visa, attached. Okay, when you look into the right hand side of your passport page where you have your visa, you're going to see your case number and A number. If you read through this, it's going to direct you on how you can get your A number. And if you cannot get that, you see your notice of interview, your the interview notice that was printed out before you went for your interview. You can get your A number on your appointment page, that was printed out before you went for your interview. You're going to see your A number on the second page, and you're going to see your case number as well. So you type your A number and your case number here, and you go to next. I won't be able to do that because I've made payment for mine, so it's just going to pop up and tell me that I've made payment. It's going to pop up and give me a notice of payment and all that. So you click on continue. You'll get a form where you'll be required to type in the address where you want your green card to be sent, and you type in the address and what have you, and it's going to direct you to where you're going to make payments. Okay, you make your payment from your credit card or debit card, what have you. Okay, and after which a page will pop up where you'll be notified that you've made payment, acknowledgement of payment and all that for your green card. Ensure you have that page saved on your phone or your laptop, whatever place that you decided to, save that, just have it in record, because when you sign out of that page, you might not be able to access your acknowledgement of payment. Your payment to be acknowledged and what have you, and you have to wait, for your green card to be sent to the address that you typed in the form. It's going to ask for your name and all that, and who is making payment and what have you. So that's how you're going to make payment for your green card. Once it's submitted, once you made payment, you're just going to submit it, print out the acknowledged copy, and wait for your green card to be sent in the mail. Okay, I hope I've been able to help that one person out there. Okay, if you're yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe. I'll see you in my next. Okay, bye for now. Yeah.